In the vast world of IT, Secure File Transfer Protocol, or SFTP, is a critical player. This network protocol provides file access, file transfer, and file management functionalities over any reliable data stream. It's not just a protocol. SFTP is a secure method of transferring files between local and remote servers. Imagine a high-security bank vault. SFTP is like the security guard that ensures only authorized individuals can access the valuable data inside. It uses the SSH protocol, which means it encrypts data before transmitting it, ensuring the highest level of security. So why is SFTP essential? It's all about data protection. In the age of cyber threats, safeguarding sensitive information has never been more crucial. SFTP is the trusted player that keeps your data secure during transmission. For more insights into the world of IT and to dive deeper into topics like routers, switches, firewalls, and load balancers, visit www.batnetworks.com. Your journey towards mastering IT starts here.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.